It's about 6:30 in the morning here in Joshua Tree. Today we're going to go on some road trip adventures. A blogger named Drew and I are going to take one of the cars, and we're probably going to head to some Route 66 destinations that are out here. And we might do Salton Sea tomorrow. But beautiful morning, sun's coming up. It's really cold though. CX3 out here in Joshua Tree. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Perfect day for this. But we're gonna go head down Route 66 right now. So we just stopped here at the Route 66 Museum in Victorville, but it looks like it's closed. So Drew and I are gonna head somewhere and try to find some lunch, hopefully someplace cool, but unfortunately the museum is closed, which doesn't do us any good. So that is the Bottle Tree Ranch. If you do come and see it, be sure to leave a tip. It's kind of nice to support something as unique as this and keep it going for future Route 66ers. We are here in Amboy right now. We just stopped to kind of stretch our legs and take some pictures. We're heading back towards Joshua Tree. We're gonna go back westbound on Route 66 and then head down to Joshua Tree. But it's been a pretty fun trip so far. The CX3 has been a lot of fun to drive, and it's been a pretty good little road trip car, so I've been happy with it. But I think we're gonna hit the road and head back towards camp now. You vlog a little bit?
Get me now?
Always. You're in the vlog.
Oh.
Starting to remember why I don't go camping all that often. It's cold.